Hi everyone, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. So glad that you tuned in. Just want to give you a sneak peek into what I've been up to lately. As you can see down here, I stenciled my patio. I have a DIY on how to do that. I also have a DIY where I made this cute little pelican stand. I have a complete tutorial on it. If you're new to my channel, I also have a DIY on how I put this fire pit area together here with the little pool. I also added the little table and 2 benches back there. I actually had my stepfather build that for me, and it turned out wonderfully. Added some new lighting out here, and I've got a few more DIYs, and I've got lots more coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, you might want to do so, because I have tons of these cute little DIYs. And then also, like I said, this was my patio makeover. And I've got all these DIYs and more.